This is my steam cleaner. I've actually got two of them. I've noticed this. It's cracking along here. This bar comes along and then that goes up that way. So what I've done is pushed it into place where it looks level. Well, that bar looks in line with rest at chassis. I'm going to run a bead of weld over the top of these. Like I say, I'm not a welder, so I don't know how this is going to turn out. I might try and just put a bit of metal bar between, like tack it on here and then tack it back here somewhere. Hey, this little welder's packed in. I think it's overheated. Probably still weren't clean enough or something. I don't know. I'm not a welder. While I've been waiting for it to cool down, I've made some struts. Some little bars. I'm just going to shove in and then tack them in place. So we'll see if they fit. I said about an hour now, sat here just cooling down, and it's not. I can't find a screwdriver. I've got it slotted, and this is a posi, so hence it just looking a bit cumbersome. But I can't be bothered to find. Other bit. Right, turns out I'm happy with that. I'll put some paint on it and all, so like brand new. That bit there, I've run a bead of weld up back of that, same as this, run a bead of weld up back of there. I'm not the bestest of welders, but I've had to grind this one flat. I don't know if you can see it. That's paint. I thought it was a snattered thing. I've just blob weld everywhere and I've put that bar on. Oh, I don't even know what I'm filming here. Yeah, just put some blobs of weld, cut that off and then welded it up and back. See, I'm not the best welder, but if it sticks it, I just want to get a couple more here out in it, make it last. Right. Now Lucy's here, Lucy the goosey. Come on, Luce, can I say hello to YouTube? Come on then. The mega, haven't we? Yeah, just blob some weld everywhere. That one's a bit ropey. Let's have a look. Camera's gone off. That one's a bit ropey, but I'm not really bothered, to be fair. Right, let's get doing something else.